क्रिमिनल लॉयर जो है ना वो दोनों तरह से ड्रेस कर सकता है, वेरी वेरी कंजर्वेटिव ड्रेसिंग, या फिर वो ये कर सकता है कि ही कुड लुक वेरी स्टाइलिश।
डिफरेंशिएट करना हो कॉर्पोरेट और क्रिमिनल लॉयर की ड्रेसिंग में।
कॉर्पोरेट में आप स्टक हैं, इफ यू आर अ क्रिमिनल लॉयर यू कुड बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर एक्सप्रेसिव।
Can a criminal lawyer look more stylish?
क्लाइंट ने देखना हाउ ही लुक्स इन एवरीथिंग, पे अटेंशन योर फिजिक, यू नो एवरीथिंग। सो इफ ए लॉयर इज वेरी accomplished, you feel good, that confidence, that increased self-esteem and that confidence.
Welcome to another episode of Dapper Lawyer, and I'm your host Numan with Ali Aslam and Zainab Farid Khan. Today we are going to talk about the dress code of criminal lawyer, and we have Hamid Saeed, international image consultant from New York. Sir, welcome to our program again.
Thank you very much, Noman. Thank you for inviting me.
We are going to talk about the dress code of a criminal lawyer today. You know, last time we talked about the dress code of corporate lawyer.
First of all, let me just tell the audience a little bit about who I am and what I do. I think this should be part of introduction. I am Hamid Saeed. I'm from New York, and basically I'm an image and wardrobe consultant. But my focus has been on professional men, how to help them how to project the right image for what they do. And I have spent a lot of time with the attorneys. As you know, in America, अमेरिका में डिफरेंट कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस हैं, पाकिस्तान में ज़रा ब्लर हो जाती हैं, वन अटर्नी डज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। वहाँ पे क्रिमिनल लॉ है, वहाँ पे डिवोर्स लॉ है, मैट्रिमोनियल लॉ है, एल्डर लॉ है, कॉर्पोरेट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट लास्ट टाइम. So I have a great skill set. I have a lot of expertise in dressing them. I have been also dressing a lot of guys from Bar Association, New York Bar Association. So और एक और बात मैं जो कहना चाहूँगा राइट एट द आउटसेट वो ये है कि आई मीन इट्स नॉट डिबेटेबल दैट एन अटर्नी मस्ट बी एजुकेटेड, ही मस्ट हैव द राइट एजुकेशन, राइट ट्रेनिंग, राइट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड देन द क्लोथिंग comes in. It's not like, it's not, clothing is not a substitute for all that experience and knowledge and all that. So having said that, criminal lawyer के बारे में आज बात कर रहे हैं. क्रिमिनल लॉयर जो है ना इसकी साथ बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सिचुएशन है फ्रॉम ए क्लोथिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्योंकि क्रिमिनल लॉयर जो है ना वो दोनों तरह से ड्रेस कर सकता है. वो एज ए कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर, जैसे कि मतलब एक कॉम्पिटेंट स्मार्ट लॉयर होता है, डार्क सूट में एंड ऑब्वियसली वाइट और सिमिलर शर्ट एंड नाइस कॉम्बिनेशन. कोट की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं, ब्लैक सूट की बात नहीं कर रहा. वी ऑल नो दैट हाउ टू डू दैट. सो वी टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन यू गोना सी क्लाइंट्स or you want to be in the, socially you're going to be representing yourself. मैं उस environment में बात कर रहा हूँ. तो उसमें जो criminal lawyer है ना, he can go both ways. He can go like very very conservative dressing and really like look very top notch conservative lawyer. या फिर वो ये कर सकता है कि he could look very stylish. मतलब ये दोनों चीज़ें इसके लिए चल सकती हैं. कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर के लिए चल सकती हैं. कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर ही मस्ट लुक दैट वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड, वेरी रिफाइंड, लाइक द लास्ट टाइम वी टॉक्ड अबाउट. तो इसमें सबसे बड़ी एग्जांपल जो है ना वो ये है कि अगर आप देखें यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में अनफॉर्चुनेटली मोस्टली जो क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज़ में जो ज़्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं ब्लैक्स हैं, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ब्लैक अटर्नीज रिप्रेजेंटिंग दैम. तो अगर आप देखें उनको तो दे आर ड्रेस्ड लाइक रियली टू द नाइन. I would say they carry fashion, they carry style. So I think they can go both ways.
सर अगर हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना हो कॉर्पोरेट और क्रिमिनल लॉयर की ड्रेसिंग में, सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंशिएट कि क्रिमिनल लॉयर है वो उसका कैसा
जैसे मैंने कहा है कि कॉर्पोरेट में आप स्टक हैं. You cannot go very very, like you cannot wear loud colors, you cannot wear loud styling, you cannot wear which is like really something very prominent. But in the criminal law, if you are a criminal lawyer, I think that you can go either. You can you could be a little bit more expressive. You could show your personality a little bit more, because the type of clients you see, unfortunately, they go for this. I mean, a criminal, somebody who has committed a crime or something like that, वो कहते हैं कि यार ये बंदा जो है ना इसमें वो he looks very very unique and he looks very very different, so he might represent me more. I would say more effectively. So yes, in that case, that in criminal lawyer, if you are a criminal lawyer, I think that you can experiment with colors and all that. But again, I'm not talking about in the court environment. Court में आपने तो dress code जो है पाकिस्तान में, I think you're going to carry that.
Sir, how a criminal lawyer is supposed to be dressed up when he is going to meet his prospective client?
इसी की बात कर रहा हूँ। अब देखें डायनेमिक्स है ना, जो क्राइम कमिट करते हैं यूजुअली उनका होता है कि यार ये जो है ना, जो लॉयर है उसकी भी शोशा होनी चाहिए, लॉयर तरह लॉयर लगना चाहिए, दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग। अगर कॉर्पोरेट है तो कॉर्पोरेट ने देखना यार बंदा सोफिस्टिकेटेड लग रहा है, बंदा कॉम्पिटेंट लग रहा है, बंदा स्मार्ट लग रहा है, दे गोना डिफरेंट डायनेमिक्स इज गोना वर्क। I mean, I am not, I'm not saying that it should be that way, but that's the way it is.
And we can-
Mostly वो लोग जो ना, something which is like very obvious and people that who can, are a little bit loud, I think that they get attracted to them.
And we can play with those dynamics अपनी ड्रेसिंग के साथ उसको
हाँ
एक लॉयर
बिल्कुल।
चेंज कर
मैं
सकता है।
मिसाल देता हूँ कि जो सबसे दुनिया में जो सबसे मशहूर आई वुड से फेमस इन द रिसेंट हिस्ट्री जो लॉयर हुआ है उसका नाम है जॉनी कॉकरन, एंड आई थिंक यू गाइस मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट हिम। एनीबॉडी हु इज अ क्रिमिनल लॉयर मस्ट नो हु ही वाज एंड हाउ ही रिप्रेजेंटेड ओ.जे. सिम्पसन। पहली बात तो इस केस के बारे में था कि ये केस जो था दिस वाज एयर्ड एंड लाइव, एंड उसमें जॉनी कॉकरन की ज़रा पिक्चर्स देखें आप, मतलब ही लुक्स वेरी स्टाइलिश, ही लुक्स लाइक ही फेल ऑफ द GQ मैगजीन, ठीक है ना, और वो कॉन्ट्रास्ट कॉलर्स पहने हुए हैं, टाइज आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ लाउड टाइज, बट द कॉम्बिनेशन आर ब्यूटीफुल। आई मीन एस्थेटिकली स्पीकिंग दे आर ब्यूटीफुल, and so he was attracted by O.J. Simpson that he should represent me, and I think because it was a theater, it was a kind of a movie, real movie on screen and everything, so I think he played it pretty good with that kind of clothing. लेकिन ये है कि उसकी जो स्टेटमेंट थी, I mean he didn't win the case because of the way he dressed. I mean I must say this, I don't want to misguide anybody here कि भाई अगर आप ऐसी क्लोथिंग पहन के आ जाएंगे तो you're gonna win the case. लेकिन ये है कि I think that was his personality, और केस उसने विन किया था वो I think you guys know that very famous quote कि if it doesn't fit you must acquit. So I think he won the case on that.
Sir, can a criminal lawyer look more stylish than the other corporate lawyers or other lawyers?
Yes, he can. आगे मैं प्राइवेट इन्वायरमेंट की बात कर रहा हूँ, क्लाइंट के साथ जब मिलते हैं, ठीक है ना, क्लाइंट ने आके क्लाइंट ने क्या करना है, क्लाइंट ने देखना है, क्लाइंट ने ऑफिस देखना है, क्लाइंट ने देखना है बंदा कैसा है, क्लाइंट ने देखना है हाउ ही लुक्स इन एवरीथिंग, और अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो क्लाइंट आ रहा है जो क्रिमिनल है, ही डजंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ ही और शी डजंट हैव दैट बिग एक्सपोजर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड दिस एंड दैट, तो वो देखता है कि यार ये बंदा जो है ना ये बड़ा मुझे पावरफुल लग रहा है। अच्छा, ही डजंट इवन नो रियली, ही और शी डजंट नो दैट व्हाट रियल पावर इज़, कि कोर्ट में कैसे कंसिडर किया जाता है, लेकिन वो बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम ही जस्ट वांट्स टू विन अ क्लाइंट, सो आई थिंक वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एनवायरनमेंट. सो आई वुड से दैट इफ ही लुक्स अ लिटिल बिट मोर स्टाइलिश, if he kind of relate to him, if the client gets impressed with him कि यार इसकी dressing बड़ी ज़बरदस्त है. In America, because mostly, like I said, that a good percentage of black people, they get arrested and all that, and some unfairly, some fairly, whatever. तो वहाँ पे तो मतलब है कि ये common practice है ना, and they go to these attorneys, and the attorneys who are like really kind of like loud personalities, they get a lot of clients. I don't know how it's going to work out in Pakistan, but I'm bringing international exposure, and so I think that it could be to his advantage. But at the same time, he has the option. He could wear he could look very nice and sophisticated and refined and really nicely put together. So he has both options.
बेसिकली आउटफिट के साथ क्या हमारी जो अपनी लुक होती है वो भी मैटर करती है, लाइक अगर वो क्लीन शेव है, अगर वो बियर्ड रखता है तो उसको वो किस तरह हैंडल करना चाहिए, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा
देखिए मैं बताऊं, इससे टोटल पैकेज, clothing is just one aspect of it. Your body, the way you should keep your body fit. I mean, obviously if a guy is built all over the lot and it's hard to look good in that nice clothing and everything because it's hard to fit him. So first of all, I would say that pay attention to your physique, everything. I think you should work out and everything. On the other hand, the hair, if you have, like for example, if you have beard, for men, like you have, and I really like it. It's nicely trimmed. It's not going in all directions and everything, and so otherwise it's a distraction, and you don't want client or you don't want court or you don't want judge to get distracted. I mean, your best weapon is your argument. And you want the other person to pay attention to that. If you are sitting down with the client and you have to convince them, and then it should be all your talk. And once they look at it and look at you and they say, okay, you look good, and then after that they could pay attention to what you have to say. I would not discount that at all. I mean, you can imagine a guy very, very, very well dressed, and the hair are like this and that's, I mean, you know, like he's killed his look, I guess.
Crimes are, you know, happening every day, or jo criminal lawyers, and they are getting attention of media. So they are, you know, if some lawyer is a big one, he is going to get media. Every time he's coming out of court, they are going to ask questions from him. So he should look like a perfect guy in front of media.
It's a very good question. And I think, I mean, I hate to say that he is like attracting all the criminals, like coming to, oh, I'm going to hire him. You know, I commit a crime and all that. And they're going to be looking at him and saying, oh, you know, he's the right guy for me. I don't want to say that. But, you know, having said that, I think that your appearance does matter. I think that, especially when you're in the media, it's not only that your clients are looking at you, it's the whole industry is looking at you. And, you know, you get referrals from other lawyers, and you get, you know, media, you know, gives you some sort of hype, you know, if you look the part. I would say that it could definitely work to your advantage. But on the other hand, it could also work to your disadvantage the same way. You know, let's say, for example, the viewers have eyes. You know, viewers are listening to you, but at the same time, they are spending as much time also looking at you. So if a lawyer is very accomplished and very, very, you know, well-versed in everything, it's won a lot of cases, but he doesn't look the part, I think he misses the point.
Sir, एक female criminal lawyer की बात करते हैं. How should she be dressed up?
Well, you see the dynamics between female attorney and male attorney in this world, like in the world of law, there's no difference. You know, that's why I would always say, for example, you know, if you're a corporate lawyer, I mean, it's not that you know, if you're a female lawyer, you can wear colors. I would not wear colors at all. I mean, you could use that in your private, whatever, you know, gatherings and all that, but I would highly suggest that don't use that. So what are the colors left? The same thing, the black, the grays, and, you know, the navies and all that, and you will have to stick with that. So I would say that whether you are a criminal lawyer or you are a you know, lawyer for any other concentration, I think that the manly colors, I think the masculine colors are still going to work. And you could check it out. You know, you could just Google it. See the most prominent female attorneys. I mean, you will see them the same darker color. Like I like you are wearing the stripe. You know, really as I would say, a fresh air. I mean, in Pakistan, you don't see a female attorney wearing striped suit, but it looks very, very nice. And I think it's, if you're wearing that, and I think you could, you know, whether you're a corporate attorney or you're a criminal attorney, I think it will work for you. The other thing is that if you're sitting with a client and you want to, you know, look a little bit more feminine, you can bring the color with your shirt, blouse, in, you know, what you're wearing inside, and that could show a little bit, you know, and that I think a female should look feminine. I think a female attorney has a lot of advantage because they are supposed to be good listeners, and I think client can relate to them, and so they feel very comfortable with them. I hope that there are more accomplished and more successful female attorneys in Pakistan. Inshallah, you will be, you know, I want to see you going up all the way there.
Sir, आपकी जो dressing होती है, that adds up to your manners as well.
जी जी.
The way you dress up, regardless of the fact that in the first place, अगर आप dress up नहीं होते ठीक से, that mannerism जो है आपकी, वो एक appropriate नहीं होती. Suddenly, जब आपकी dressing change होती है, उसके साथ आपकी पूरी personality और manners change हो जाते हैं.
I mean, such a you know, very, very, I would say, strong point, and you know, it really makes a difference. देखिए जब आदमी dress up होता है, common चीज़ है. The way the day you dress up and you look nice and you standing in the mirror, all of a sudden your chest is like this. I mean, if you're a man, a woman also, you know, changes their posture and everything. It's automatic. Actually, where it's coming from? It's coming from that confidence, that increased confidence that inside you, that you really like yourself. On that day, I think you can go out there and conquer the world. And you will see that you'll be more productive and you will have more productive meetings. And if it's a court day, I think that, you know, I mean, I don't say that you become more intelligent, because I think if I said that, a lot of lawyers are going to call me and says, what am I saying? So I will not go that far. But I tell you something, you will become sharper. Because, you know, once you feel good about yourself, what happens? You're very, you know, like you're together up here and you feel very good. And the moment you feel good, that confidence, that increased self-esteem and that confidence, that rushes through. And what it does is gives you that fuel that you need. And then you become very sharp, because obviously if you're dressed very well, you don't want to underperform. So, you know, all those dynamics are in play, and I think that you get these added benefits when you look good.
That's all for today, and stay tuned with us for more. Thank you so much.